Today's training is covering housekeeping projects, namely cleaning the bathroom exhaust fan. Start by securing a firm foundation beneath you. Use the toilet seat with the lid down to stand on top of the toilet seat. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the screws securing the vent. If available, use an electric screwdriver to speed up the process. After you have removed the two screws, place them somewhere where you can locate them easily. Take the vent over to the sink in the restroom. Turn on the hot water and rinse the dust from the vent in the sink. If there is dust in difficult to reach places, using a horse toothbrush, scrub the front and the back side of the vent. Also scrub inside the vent so that the entire vent is free from dust. Once you have finished washing the vent and have it free from all debris, dry off the vent with a microfiber towel, getting the front as well as the inside completely dry before you reattach it. Insert the vent back into the hole of the HVAC system. Utilizing the same screws, hand tighten them in to start and then finish tightening them with a screwdriver. When possible, use an electric screwdriver. When reattaching the screws to the vent, make sure you do not over-tighten the screws. Keep them flush with the exterior of the vent. When reattaching the vent, please take note of whether or not the vent is sucking air out of the bathroom. If it isn't, please place a work order in hot sauce. When stepping down from the toilet seat, please take every precaution so that you do not injure yourself.